On a certain day of a certain month in a certain year, an ordinary stick figure indistinguishable from any other entered a stark minimalist facility. This was the crucible where individuals were forged into instruments of the state, the entry point into the clandestine world of the secret police. The training was relentless, a series of drills designed to strip away identity and instill unwavering obedience. In rooms devoid of color or comfort, the recruit learned the art of surveillance, their eyes trained to see without being seen, their ears to hear the whispers in the silence. They studied protocol until it became reflex, memorizing codes and procedures that governed every action. The stick figure's expression remained neutral, a blank canvas upon which the organization would paint its will. Day after day they practiced, their movements becoming more precise, their presence more ghost-like, slowly transforming from a person into a function. As the seasons changed, the recruit graduated, becoming an operative. Their first assignment plunged them into the depths of the system they were sworn to protect. Clad in the striped uniform of a prisoner, they moved among the incarcerated, their true purpose hidden behind a facade of submission. They listened to the hushed conversations in the yard, and the desperate confessions in the cells, gathering intelligence piece by piece. The information was relayed through dead drops and coded messages, a silent flow of data back to their unseen masters. Their next mission required a different disguise. Now wearing the white coat of a doctor, they entered a sterile examination room. Their task was to conduct a psychological evaluation on a person of interest, probing the depths of a mind with carefully worded questions. They charted reactions and noted hesitations, their clinical detachment a shield against any flicker of empathy. In each role, the operative was a chameleon, their identity shifting to suit the mission, their core self buried deeper with every lie. Time passed, and the operative's success did not go unnoticed. They were promoted, trading the field for a seat of command. Now a manager, the character sat within a control room, a cavern of shadows illuminated by the cold blue light of simple monitors. Each screen was a window into a different life, a different operation unfolding in real time. The manager's hands moved with practiced efficiency, directing agents in the field, coordinating surveillance, and analyzing incoming streams of information. They were the nerve center of the organization, a spider at the heart of a vast, invisible web. The stick figures on the screens moved according to their commands, their fates dictated by a click of a button or a quiet word into a microphone. The weight of these decisions was immense, yet the manager's expression remained unchanged, the same neutral mask they had worn since their first day of training. Power was a tool, and they wielded it with the same dispassionate precision as any other instrument. Ultimately, the character reached the zenith of the organization. They became the director, the unseen hand guiding the entire apparatus. Their new domain was a vast, empty office, a space defined by its austerity. A single desk stood in the center, an island in a sea of polished floor. There were no decorations, no personal effects, only the stark geometry of power. The director sat alone, the silence of the room a testament to their absolute authority. From this solitary peak, they oversaw the entire network they had spent a lifetime climbing. They had become the master of the system, the ultimate arbiter of secrets and lies. Yet, as they stared into the empty space before them, their face was the same as it had been on that first day in the training facility, a simple neutral expression, a perfect and complete void. On a certain day of a certain month in a certain year, the journey had reached its conclusion, leaving only a hollow echo of the person who had begun it.